How to fix Fortnite mobile device not supported. So pretty much, if you're seeing a device not supported message when trying to play Fortnite mobile, it means your device is pretty much doesn't really meet Epic Games' current compatibility requirements. So there are a few potential workarounds depending on your device and goals. So why this pretty much happens is because your device doesn't meet the minimum performance specs, your OS version might be outdated, you're playing on a non-Play Store version on Android, and Fortnite isn't officially supported on your device, which is pretty common with older or budget phones. But anyways, for the first workaround and fixes, go ahead and check the minimum requirements. So ensure your device meets at least it being Android 8 plus, 3 GB RAM or more, an Adreno 530 plus, a Mali G71 plus GPU, and a 64-bit OS. But on iOS, only iPhone 8 and later are supported. iOS 13 Plus is usually required if you do have the iOS. But anyway, the other thing you can do is pretty much go to your settings to enable a high performance option. So just go ahead to your settings, search for it, of course, and go to About Phone. Then to your build number, tap 7 times to pretty much enable developer options. So do this. As you can see, now we are a developer. Then enable force GPU rendering, force 4x MSA, and set background process limit to 2 to 4. So that's gonna be found over here in the additional settings, and scroll down a bit and you'll be able to find the developer options. So first things first is the graphics driver preferences. Go ahead and search for your Fortnite over here and put it on the system graphics driver. Then over here, if you scroll down a bit to hardware accelerated rendering, go ahead and press on force 4x MSA, and finally down here to the app section, put the background process limits to 2 to 4 like this. But anyway, around 2 to 4, and that should be good. So the third option is to install Fortnite via Epic Games app. So go ahead to your preferred browser and search for Epic Games, and you should be able to find Fortnite there in their official Epic Games app, where you can download Fortnite officially. You can also try GeForce Now to stream Fortnite to your phone, or no powerful GFU is pretty much required, but just a good connection that has 15 Mbps. You can also go ahead and check for system updates on your phone. You can do this in the settings and look at your About Phone to check on if your device is pretty much up to date to actually be able to handle Fortnite. And finally, for what not to do, don't install Fortnite mods or hacked APKs, which can get your account banned or infect your device and pretty much give you that error that won't allow you to open Fortnite. So avoid fake apps pretending to be Fortnite on third-party app stores. But anyways, that's pretty much how you can possibly fix the not supported on mobile device. So if this video helps you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all. Thank you.